Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can play this kind of lo-fi beat bot on Discord. So it is like a hidden shortcut that I just knew. Maybe if you knew this, like you don't need this tutorial obviously, but I did not know this. So on your keyboard, you're going to just press Control, Alt, Shift, and W. Again, it's Control, Alt, Shift, and W. So I'm just going to do that right now on my keyboard. You can do this on any channel. Control, Alt, Shift, W. Oh, I'm not on Discord, sorry. Let's do that again. And as you can see, this will pop up. I'm not going to play the audio though, but it says, chats can be lot, relax with one bus as long as you need. And it's just like a chill beat. That is it for this video. I'm just gonna chill. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.